Hey now, it's Bede Burn Banter! From the classroom to the hall, we've got stories big and small. Gold Star laughs, a local spark. Every week we light the dark. Listen up, gather round. Something fresh is coming down. One more shout, one more cheer. Bede Burn's on, we're here. Bede Burn Banter. Bede Burn Banter. Say it loud, say it proud. Bede Burn Banter. Bede Burn Banter. School day stories wrapped in sound.
Hello and welcome back to the Bede Burn Banter. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Lucas. We are back with episode 4, and boy, do we have a brilliant show for you today.
We certainly do, Lucas. Today we are shining a spotlight on an amazing teacher assistants at Bede Burn Primary School. We've managed to track down two absolute legends of the school corridors.
In the studio today, we have the wonderful Miss Edwards, Year 3 teaching assistant extraordinaire, and the amazing Miss Bell, Year 2 superstar teaching assistant. Welcome to the show, both of you.
Woo!
Thank you so much.
We are so glad you can make it. We know how busy the classroom keeps you. Before we get into the tough questions, how has your term been going so far?
Oh, I've had a lovely term so far. This is my favourite term because there's so much on. There's sports day coming up. The weather's nicer. We can get outside a bit more. I'll probably say this is my favourite term of the school year.
Yeah, I think that's mine as well. I think because you're so busy, it goes so fast. The weather definitely helps, but yeah, this is definitely my favourite.
Right, let's get down to business. Miss Edwards, we'll start with you. Year 3 is a big step up from Key Stage 1. What is your absolute favourite thing about teaching the Year 3 crew?
Well, I've been with the same class now for nearly 3 years, so I know them so well. I know them like the back of my hand. They're all such a lovely class. Each child has something special about them, but my favourite thing about them, I would say, is that they can all really take a joke because we know each other so well. So if I make a joke, they get it straight away, and that's probably my favourite thing about them.
Great, love that. Miss Bell, over to you. As a teaching assistant in Year 2, you see a lot of action. What is the most rewarding part of your day?
I think just being into support, seeing them achieve something that they might not think that they could do, or seeing them learn something new. I think just being happy for them achieving.
We love those moments too. Now we have a couple of quick fire questions for you both. You have to answer as fast as you can. Ready?
Okay.
Question for both of you. School dinners or packed lunch, and why?
Ooh, school dinners for me. Mrs. English's mac and cheese is stunning. It's my very favourite.
I think it depends what it is. I think if it's pizza on a Friday or the chicken noodles, I would go school lunch. But I do also like bringing in my own lunch.
Miss Edwards, if you could be a pupil in your own Year 3 classroom for just one day, what is the first activity you would run to play with?
Oh, anything arty, pencils, colouring, pen, paint, anything to do with that.
Miss Bell, what is the funniest or most unusual thing a child has ever brought in for show and tell, or just found in the schoolyard and shown you?
I'm not sure about funniest. We've recently had someone bring in something that they made with a solar panel, and they had to shine a torch on it to make it work. That was quite cool. And we've also had someone in the class get a Blue Peter badge, which was really cool.
Again, for both of you, your duty in the freezing cold winter or your duty in the boiling hot summer?
Boiling hot summer.
Summer all day for me too. A little sunbathe. I love it when the kids can play on the field as well. I feel like they get much more of a playtime when they're on the field. So definitely boiling hot.
Alright, next question. Miss Edwards and Miss Bell, what is your favourite subjects to teach?
I love to teach RE. I think it's really interesting learning about other people's beliefs and traditions and seeing how they differ from our own. I think it's really interesting.
I like maths, I think, because there is a set answer. It's quite easy to teach, but I also really love history because it's so interesting.
Fantastic answers. Now we are going to let our guests take a breather because it's time for everyone's favourite part of the show, the Bede Burn Banter Break.
This is the part of the show where Spencer and I will make you laugh or roll your eyes with some top-tier school jokes.
Alright, I'll kick us off. Lucas, why did the music teacher need a ladder during class?
I don't know, why did the teacher need a ladder during class?
To reach the high notes.
That's quite funny. Try this one. Why did the student throw their butt out the classroom window?
Their butter, why on earth would they do that?
Because they wanted to see a butterfly. This is a good one.
Okay, that's actually a classic. Let's do a geography one. What did the map say to the globe?
Go on, tell me.
I feel like the world revolves around you.
Spencer, why is the library the tallest building in the entire school?
No idea. Why is it the tallest building in the school?
Because it has the most stories.
Well done. Okay, here's a maths one for you. Why was the maths book so sad?
Why?
Because I had too many problems.
Why did the clock in the school dinner hall run slow?
Why?
It wanted to go back for seconds. Like that one?
Right, last one from me. What do you call a teacher who forgot to take the register? Absent-minded.
And on that note, that concludes this week's Banter Break. We hope we brought a little joy to your ears. And we are back with Miss Edwards and Miss Bell. Now that you've survived the jokes, we want to ask you a bit about life behind the scenes at Bede Burn.
Miss Edwards, teaching assistants are always busy, but what is your secret talent, or tell us something about you that the pupils might be surprised to know?
This is a really tricky question. I think my secret talent is doing impressions of people and copying people's accents. I'm quite good at that.
Miss Bell, what about you? What's a secret talent or something about you that the kids might not know?
I mean, some of the kids definitely know this because I went in and bragged once I'd learned to do it. But I can't solve a Rubik's Cube. But I definitely told at least half the class when I'd learned how to do it.
Oh, brilliant, Miss Bell. That's great.
Definitely. Now, as we know, the Year 2s are getting ready for their big move up to Key Stage 2 next year. Miss Bell, do you have any words of wisdom for them?
I would say just keep trying your best, stay focused. Mr. Ferraro always tells them that the B in Bede Burn stands for be the best, and I would say just keep following that.
And Miss Edwards, what about the Key Stage 1 children who will be coming up to Key Stage 2 next year? Any tips for them?
I think the most important thing about school is to always enjoy yourself, have fun, be kind, and you really can't go wrong.
Brilliant advice from two of the best. Sadly, that is all the time we have for episode 4 of Bede Burn Banter.
A huge thank you to Miss Edwards and Miss Bell for coming on to the show today.
Oh, it's been lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Don't forget to tune in next time for episode 5, where we will have more school gossip, more special guests, and hopefully some better jokes.
Hey, my jokes were great. Anyway, thank you for listening to Bede Burn Banter. Stay cheerful, work hard, and we'll see you around the school. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
It's Bede Burn Banter! From the classroom to the hall, we've got stories big and small. Gold Star laughs, a local spark. Every week we light the dark. Listen up, gather round. Something fresh is coming down. One more shout, one more cheer. Bede Burn's on, we're here. Bede Burn Banter. Bede Burn Banter. Say it loud, say it proud. Bede Burn Banter. Bede Burn Banter. School day stories wrapped in sound. cow.